Tell you what, put it back on.
You have to take this one out and put that boot on.
Down.
A little bit more.
Huh?
A little bit more. All right. I don't know, that's how I did it. All right. Yeah.
You want the same thing?
Yeah.
The same joint?
Man, look at how clean this is. Rears are in. Take this bolt out. Take this bolt. This bolt. This bolt. And then 3 on top. I just speed run this side. 15 minutes. Don't you just love working on new cars?
Why? What happened?
Cause I did that in like 15 minutes. Look at me.
What?
You over there busting a sweat.
In the sun.
This one goes here, and then this one goes at the bottom. I brushed the inside of this off with some WD-40 so it moves freely. So, and then put this on here. Take this bolt off. Put this on here. Put this on here. All right, I just gotta tighten all these bolts. That one. That one. These. All right. I've put everything together. Everything is on. Everything is good. I just finger tightened these, and my dad's working on the other side.
Like my steer will be burned up.
Yeah, it's fun, ain't it? You got your air filter dirty already. New alternator. Can't even see it.
Underneath.
This shiny thing and you can't see it. Just a car. It's fine. Her stuff is gone.
Huh?
Okay, what are we doing now?
I don't know.
Oh my god. She's cleaning this because we're changing this now. Because we're in the Beamer. This is what it looks like before. And it's gonna look like this with little rings on it. Beamers are so easy. This is after doing her alternator. So my hands is so dirty. Yes, sir. No. Pause. What?
Should've got yourself in the beamer.
A new Beamer?
Should've got yourself doing the beamer.
That thing look new, don't it? Look at it, parked up there, chilling. Gonna have to. He's putting spacers on. More spacers. You should have bought me some spacers too. I don't need them. She just needs to go a little bit more low.
If she put them bronze wheels on here, it'd be fine.
You're gonna have her looking like them Chargers.
What?
Where they wheels be sticking out a lot. Low cars. Like, look at Faith's car. Perfect.
Is it?
Yeah.
Did you show the bottom?
No. They don't need to see that. Look, I'm gonna tell Mom you're running over her plants. Yeah. Just tell GK Tech to sponsor us.
Every second, every minute, man, I swear that she can get it.
So, I decided to take this dumb dog with us. A little test drive. You're not, because you about to grab some pieces too, aren't you?
Like what?
I don't know.
They music got to
I don't think they're here. Another G. Sadly, got rust.
Smell the cigarettes.
These some good tires still.
Not bad.
Aren't they 18s? Some people be trying to buy them. See, he cut his thing too.
Diffuser?
Yeah.
I mean, real thing?
Yeah, these is 18s. They got some good tire on it still.
The rears.
Oh, that's true.
Wow, he must have rotated.
Mm-hmm. Yeah, these bald. There's like no dent. You want them?
You want to take the time to do that? That's what they call them? I looked them up. What's up? Not ready. 0 to 60. He fucked it up. I'm ready. I'm ready. Okay. I was scared as hell too. Oh.